the job from the Rubicon Liberation Front. Let's take a look at the request.
Raven, we have a mission we'd like to offer you. The Rubicon Liberation Front is planning to retake the wall from Archibus, and would like you to lay the groundwork for us. Your objective is to assassinate V.VII Swinburne, the commander of the occupying force. Swinburne has dispatched surveillance squads to monitor for intruders and hired operatives. If our plan to retake the wall is to succeed, you must not be spotted. We're counting on you to handle this discreetly.
In order to ambush and eliminate the target undetected, you'll need to adopt a different style of fighting.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Mission. I've estimated the target's position based on the data we received. Sending results now. Watch out for the surveillance ETs. If they get a read on you, this operation is over. If you pick up a capture camera tracking you, take cover or quickly destroy it. A camera's tracking you. The camera looking this way. No sign of the target, it seems. Perhaps he's out on night watch. Raven, look over there. I've detected an AC in combat mode. That must be Swinburne, the target. Target confirmed. It's Swinburne, the Vesper's number 7. This is our opportunity for an ambush. Let's go.
I see. They... Yep.
What do you think you're playing at? Wait, you're not one of mine. Another ambusher? I don't know who led you up to this, but clearly you need to be disciplined.
AP at 50%.
What? Let's not do anything hasty. You realize I lead the Vesper 7 squad. I asked you a question. Don't you have any manners? You need discipline!
Confirmed. Target destroyed. Let's go home, Raven.